It's a team effort, and I think it's that what has allowed us to get to where we are now.
I got to tell you, I'm impressed. I'm astounded, really.
James Isbin has 4 small marks on his body, where catheters loaded with custom versions of a medical device known as a stent graft were sent through arteries in his neck and groin to the aortic arch in his heart.
My heart is so much stronger now that I have, a clear way for that blood to get through and not accidentally burst through and kill me, because that's the possibility that I was looking at.
This East Texas 77-year-old has struggled with an irregular heartbeat for decades. It became so bad he couldn't sleep or exercise. He had open heart surgery in the 90s. That only provided temporary relief.
There was a major issue to deal with.
The aorta is the big artery that carries the blood from the heart to all parts of the body. It goes up and then makes a turn, and that first turn is called the arch. And that's an important area because that's where the vessels that feed the brain and the upper extremities are located. What happens with aneurysms is they continue to grow, and as the more they grow, the higher risk of rupture. And rupture usually in this location means death.
But another open heart surgery could have taken his life as well. UT Southwestern's Dr. Carlos Timoran had a solution.
Obviously, we had to do a lot of planning.
He's one of just 3 surgeons in the U.S. who have been granted a physician-sponsored investigational device exemption by the Food and Drug Administration. It's a device he helped design with other surgeons and engineers.
It's a huge step forward because now we're able to do the total repair of the arch aneurysms with this device.
Each stent graft is designed to fit the patient's arteries.
For this particular case, we designed a 3-vessel branch device, which means that we don't have to do any surgery at all.
The device is deployed with the help of X-rays and ultrasound.
The beautiful thing about this is that we never stop the heart. We don't have to open the chest at all. The incisions are minimal. The patients don't need to be cool. There's no hypothermia involved. And obviously the recovery can be really, really quick.
And that allows this grandfather to get back to enjoying his greatest joys in life.
I have 2 daughters, I have 7 grandkids, and 3 great-grandkids. Like a duck on a June bug, I jumped all over, yes, I did. I thought this is the thing to do. I couldn't be happier. I just couldn't be happier.